Welcome to Papa's Workshop. I'm real excited today. I have a new reciprocating saw by Tacklife. This saw is cordless, it's lightweight, and it is doing a fantastic job in the shop. And today I want to show this to you. So let's get started. The next tool that I want to show you, again, is by Tacklife, and this is a reciprocating saw. Let me get this out of the box. I'm real excited about this one because I've never had a battery-operated reciprocating saw, and I call it a sawzall. So let's open this up. Has a real nice carry-in case with their logo on the side of it. You got these nice pockets that you can put different tools in here. This is the owner's manual to the saw. They do provide two blades. One is for cutting metal, and then this one is for cutting wood. You also have the warranty card right here so that you can fill that warranty card out. And let's get out this. The first thing I notice is that it's fairly lightweight. That's not bad compared to my one with the power cord on it. That's very heavy. This is lightweight, and it's a good feel so far. Okay, let's get the rest of this out. You have the charger that comes with it, and of course you have the battery. Now this is a 20-volt lithium-ion battery. I like the lithium-ion batteries. So let's go ahead and get this set up and charge the battery. And on here we have the power indicator. There's a red and a green dot. So let's get this set up. Now the charging time for this battery is approximately 1 hour. Now on this plug, it does have the polarity, so that's the wider plug there. So we'll plug that in. Now that I've got this plugged in, you can see the green light is flashing. So that lets you know that the charger is actually receiving the power. Now I'm going to take the battery pack and it just slides in. So I'll slide that into it. And you see the red light come on, so that indicates that it's charging. Now, one of the things that I really look for in a charger, and it may seem really small and trivia, but I like the fact that it has the ability to attach this to the wall. This, to me, is a big plus, because all of my chargers I have mounted to the wall, and that makes it so convenient. I do have one charger that does not, and that, to me, is just a real downfall. So I like the fact that this has that. So as I said a moment ago, the approximate charging time is 1 hour. So we'll check back in a few minutes. Now I just took the battery off a charge, and I want to get up close and show you this. You can push this little button on the battery, and it shows the indication. So this is fully charged now. So let's go put it to work. I like this saw because it's so lightweight. Battery just slips right on there and it's ready to go. Now to be able to put the blade into the saw, this little knob just turns and it's spring loaded. So you rotate it counterclockwise to open it up to allow the blade to go in. So I'm going to twist this The blade goes right in, I can release it, and it locks in place. This is a real nice feature. I like this type of locking mechanism better than on some saws that I've used in the past, which had a lever on the side. This works real well. You just rotate it, it slips out, you put in a new blade, release it, and you're ready to go. Now on the saw itself, you have a push button right here, and you can push it with either hand. So it doesn't matter if you're left-handed or if you're right-handed. But this is a safety switch to be able to prevent from accidentally turning the saw on. I like the fact that you can do it either left-handed or right-handed. So if I grab the saw with my left hand, I can use my thumb to push the button and then turn the saw on. Or if I'm using it right-handed, same thing. My thumb will be right there to be able to push that switch in. I use the tools, quite frankly, left-handed and right-handed a lot. Now on this side, this little lever right here controls the pendulum swing. So if you want a real fine cut, you can have it in this setting, and then turning it down here will give you a faster cut. The other feature that I really like, that I don't even have on my big powered reciprocating saw, is this lever. This is a locking lever that allows you to adjust this little shoe. That is very, very handy. And we just lock that back in place. So this has some very nice features in it that I actually truly like. The only thing that I don't like about this saw is that it is a little bit noisy. Now this is a 2-inch piece of PVC pipe. Cuts right through it. Well, as far as a reciprocating saw, I must say, I really do like this saw. I like the fact that it's lightweight, that you have the safety devices. My old one with the power cord on it doesn't have that safety switch, and you can access it either left-handed or right-handed. To be able to have the pendulum switch up here, to be able to have a very fine cut or a very rapid, fast cut is also nice. And the feature that I didn't even think existed is this locking lever that controls this shoe. Very nice to be able to have. So this turned out to be an excellent tool that I'm going to be using a lot in my shop. So I want to take this opportunity to be able to thank Tacklife for giving me the opportunity to test this and share this video with you.